Well, hello guys. As most of the people have requested me to revise this particular chapter, so here it is, simultaneous equation. Alright? Now, this lesson is very important. Not till class 9, but if you go to higher studies, even in class 10 or 11 and 12, you might come up with a problem in which you have to find the value of the variable or value of any quantity, in which you might come up with the simultaneous equation. So you have to use simultaneous equation to find the value of all those terms. Alright? So if you don't know how to find the value by using simultaneous equation, then it will be very difficult for you to do it. Okay, so in a board exam, you might not get marks. Alright? So this simultaneous equation is a part of algebra. Alright? Like expansion, factorization. So in algebra, all the chapters are very important. Yes or no? So simultaneous equation is also very important. Alright? So let's get started. So before we start, so let's discuss what is simultaneous equation. Okay, so that you have to know. Alright? Okay, let me explain you with an example. Now if I write x plus 2 is equals to 3. Now this is an equation. Okay, so what kind of equation is it? It is a linear equation. Okay, it is the degree or the power of the variable is 1, that is a linear equation. If it is 2, then quadratic, and if it is more than 2, then it is called polynomial. That you have to do in class 10. Alright? Okay, now we can easily find the value of x. Alright, so if we take 2 to that side, so x is equals to 1. Now, if I add one more variable here, x plus y plus 2 is equals to 3. Now, can you find the value of the variable used here? No, we cannot. Yes or no? We cannot find the value of x or y. For this, you need the value of either x or y. So we cannot find. So if we reduce this, then if we take 2 to this side, this will be a 3 minus 2. So x plus y is equals to 1. Now, still we cannot find. Alright, so what we need one more equation, so that by using the two equations, okay, so we'll easily find the value of the variable that I use. Alright, so this kind of equation, okay, so simultaneously, if two equations are used to find the value of the variable x and y, now this kind of equation are called simultaneous equations. Alright, now let's discuss about the methods to solve this kind of simultaneous equation to find the value of the variable that I use, x and y. But keep this in mind, till class 10, you will get the equation related with the two variable only. So if you look at this one, x, y, or sometimes a plus b is equals to 3, or 2a minus 3b is equals to 1. So this kind of equation. So here also don't get confused. Here the variable used are x and y, variable used are a and b. But if you look at both the simultaneous equation, only two variables are used. If three variables are used, then different methods we have to use. So till class 10, only two, then you will get a simultaneous equation of two variables. Alright? So for three variables that you have to do in class 12 by using matrices, and so many different methods are there. But till class 10, we'll focus on simultaneous equation. Alright? So three methods are there. So let's discuss that one by one. There are three methods to find the value of the variable by using simultaneous equation. Okay? So the first part is by using elimination method. Second one is by substitution method. I think you are familiar the one who are in class 8 or class 7. I think you people are also familiar with elimination and substitution. But when you come to class 9, you have to do, there is one more method is there in the syllabus, that is cross multiplication method. Okay. So these are the three methods which helps us to find the value of the variable, only two variables. Keep this in mind by using simultaneous equation. Alright? So, as so many people has requested me to revise elimination and substitution also. So, I'll explain that also, don't worry. And by the end of today's video or the lesson, I think all your doubts will be clear and you'll be able to find the value of the variable by using elimination or substitution or cross multiplication. Keep this in mind. In last year's board exam, the question related with cross multiplication came. So, okay, so don't skip any method. So you have to know all the three methods. All right. Okay, one more thing. But if it is not mentioned, which method you have to use? Okay, in the last year board exam, it was mentioned that solve the simultaneous equation by using cross multiplication. But keep this in mind. If it is not mentioned, then whichever method you find it easy, use that method. All right. So let's discuss the first method, that is elimination method. Okay. So let me explain you an example. Okay. So here I have taken one simultaneous equation. Okay. So now what we have to do here is step 1. In step 1, we need to check whether the variables are arranged accordingly or not. If it is not, then we have to rearrange the variable or the constant. For example, if you look at this one, x, if here is x, here also in from the second linear equation, it has to be same. So here is y, so here also it has to be y. And the constant has to be on the other side, the right hand side. Alright? So x will arrange it this way, then y, then the constant will go to the right hand side. So it is already arranged. So if it is not arranged, then you have to rearrange the term. Alright? So first one is arrangement. Arrangement of the variables. Alright? And the constant will go to right hand. Yes, sir. So x will arrange, y will be arranged, then the constant will go to right hand side. Similarly, if a and b are used, then a, b, then the constant. Alright? Okay. Now, step 2. So, we don't have a problem with this example because x are already arranged, x and y are already arranged, and the constant is on the right hand side. Now, step 2. Then step 2, what we do here is, we'll make either x or y equal. Now, why do we have to do that? See, the name itself says eliminate. So, what we need to do here in this method is, we need to eliminate any one of the variables so that we can find the value of the other variable very easily. For example, if I write x plus y is equal to 3. Now, if I eliminate this variable, then we can easily find the value of x. Yes or no? So, this is the idea. So, if you can eliminate either x, then we can find y. Or if you can eliminate y, then we can find x. Alright? So, how will you eliminate this one? So, we cannot eliminate it just like that only. Alright? So, what we need to do here is to eliminate any one of the variable. First, we have to make that variable equal. So, we have to make a variable equal. Any one variable. Alright? Either x or y. So, now today I choose y. You can make x also equal. Alright? So, now just look at y. If you look at this one, here it is 2 and here it is 4. So can we make this equal? Alright? See, in mathematics we can use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, but usually to make the variable equal, we use multiplication method. So what we do here is we multiply any or we can multiply both also. So it's up to you. So here, if I multiply with 2, then this becomes 4. Then this way we can make the variable equal. Alright? So what we do in the second step, we are making the variable equal by multiplying with a constant. Alright? Now, for example, you can make x also equal. But how will you make this x equal? Here is 3 and here we have 5. So what in this case, what you do? You multiply this with 5 and you multiply this with 3. So 5 3s are 15x and 3 5s are 15. So this way we will make it equal. But here it is equal. So I'm making y equal. So what I'll do? I'll multiply this equation with 2. But make sure when you are making any variable equal, then you have to multiply. See, we are multiplying this with 2 so that both the variable becomes equal. So here also it will be 4y and here also it will be 4y. But when you multiply, so that means this linear equation we are multiplying it to. But when you multiply this with this one, not only with variable, but you have to multiply with x also and the constant also. So make sure that you multiply whatever linear equation is there, okay, and whichever terms are there, you will multiply with the constant that you are multiplying. Okay, so this will be your 6x plus 4y is equals to 6. So here we are not multiplying. Why we are not multiplying? We are not multiplying because once you multiply this with 2, it will be 4, and here also we have 4. But if it is not 4, then you can again multiply the second equation to make both the value equal. Alright? Now, so the third step, so how will we eliminate? So here, if you look at this one, plus and minus 4y 4y. So 4y minus 4y is 0. So we can easily eliminate. But what if it is plus? If it is plus, then here what we need to do here is we need to change the sign so that we can eliminate this. But not only this one, we have to change the sign of all the variable, or sorry, all the constant that are there in the second equation, not the first one, but for the second equation. Alright? But here we don't have problem. So here is minus, so minus and minus will get cancelled. So this is 11x is equals to 22. So x is equals to 22 by 11. So 11 to 2, so x is equals to 2. Alright? Now, how will you find the value of x? Now, putting the value of x in where? So if you look at this one, we have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you can use any one of this equation to find the value of x. So find the value of y. So putting the value of x in, so whichever equation you find easy. So this equation is easy. So this is your 3x plus 2y is equals to 3. Now the value of x is 2 plus 2y is equals to 3. Now 6 plus 2y is equals to 3, or 2y is equals to 3 minus 6, or 2y is equals to minus 3. So y is equals to minus 3 by this. So we got both the values x and y. So therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3 by. So this is how we find the value of the variable by using elimination method. But this is very important. Okay, if the sign are same, then we have to change the sign. For example, if it is plus, then what we have to do here is, if it is plus, then we need to change the sign here. Keep this in mind. Not only what we are eliminating, but all the terms of the variable or the constant that are there in the second equation. Alright? So if this gets cancelled, so 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1x is equals to 60 and 6. So 6 minus 6. Now it becomes 6 minus 16, which is 10. 16 is greater, its sign is minus, so x equals to minus 10. Now you can substitute this in this equation to find the value of y. Alright? So this is very important. If the sign are same, then we have to change. But here we don't have problem because both this is plus and this is minus, so it can eliminate very easily. Alright? Understood? So this small thing in science or the math are very, very important. Okay, so one mistake, then the whole thing will get wrong and you won't get any marks in the board or in any exam. Alright? So this is how we will find the value of the variable by using elimination. Now in this method, the name itself says substitution. So what we do here is, since we have two linear equations, okay, so we'll take any one linear equation and then we'll find the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x, okay, and then we'll substitute that in the second equation. So let me explain what does it mean. Now let's take the first. It's up to you. You can take first equation or two. It's up to you. Whichever equation you find it easy. So I'm taking the first equation. So 3x plus 2y is equals to 3. So let's take this as equation number 1. So equation number 2. Now what we do here is, we have two variables. So let's find the value of either x or y in terms of another variable. For example, if I want x, then this y will take this side. Alright? Now I want x, not 3. Now where will this 3 go? this 3 will go down. We have to cross multiply. Alright? So we got the value of x. So let's take this as equation number 2. Alright? Now what we do is, by taking the value of this variable, we substitute the value of x in the second equation. Now, the second equation is 5x minus 4y is equals to 16. Alright? So what we do here is, now by taking the value of x, we substitute in this equation. So if you substitute the value of x in this equation, so this will be a 3 minus 2y divided by 3 minus 4y is equals to 16. Alright? Now let's solve it. So this will be your 15 minus 10y divided by 3 minus 4y is equals to 60. Now let's take the LCM. So LCM is 3 minus 12y is equals to 60. Now let's cross multiply. The calculation will remain same. Alright? So 15 minus y and y, okay, minus 9. So we can add these two. So this will be a 22y is equals to, if we cross multiply, this will be 48. Now this will be your minus 22y is equals to 48 minus 15. So this will be your minus 22y is equals to 33. So y we are finding, now where will this minus 22 go? It will go down. So this is minus 22. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. So y is equals to, now this is plus and minus. So plus into minus is minus. Very good. So this is 3 by 2. Alright? So this is how we solve. So therefore, x is equals to, now how will we find the value of x? Now using equation 2. So x is equals to 3 minus 2y divided by 3. So y is minus 3 by 2, alright, divided by 3. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 3, now minus into minus is plus 3 by 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6 by 3, which is, so therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Alright, so whichever method you use, the answer will be same. Alright, so this is how we find the value of the variable or by using substitution method. Now let's discuss about the third method. So let's discuss about the cross multiplication method, which is there in class 9. So till class 8 we have elimination and substitution, but this cross multiplication method is there in class 9. Okay, and the last year board exam also the question related with cross multiplication came. So so don't skip any method. Okay, so you never know. Okay, now cross multiplication. So what we have to do here is, let's take a general linear equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Now in cross multiplication method, all the variable and the constant has to be at one side, that is left hand side. Now let's take another a2x plus b2y plus c. Alright, now if you look at this one, x, y, so two variables are used, and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are the constant. Alright, so a1 and b1 and a2 or b2 are the coefficients of x and y respectively. Alright, now, so how to solve it? In the cross multiplication method, what we have to do here is x divided by something is equals to y. That is what we are finding, x and y divided by something is equals to 1 divided by something. So this is the rule or kind of a formula. Alright? Most of the people find this cross multiplication method. Now, most of the people find this cross multiplication method easier than elimination and substitution. But I repeat once again, whichever method you find it easy, you use that method. If it is not mentioned anything in the question, okay? Now, so what term will be here? Alright? Now, what we do here is, now here we are finding x. Now, this is x. Alright, so what we have to do here is, now we are not taking x. Okay, so whichever you are finding, that we skip. Now what are remaining? b1y, b2y, c1 and c2. Now we are not taking y or x. Alright, we are taking only the coefficient of x and y, and we are taking c1 on the denominator. I repeat. So what? term will be here on the denominator. Yes? So the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and the constant will be here on the denominator. Okay? Now, here we are finding x, but when we are finding x, we don't know about this. Alright? So we are taking the value from it. But keep this in mind, whenever you put the value here, you have to go right hand side. Now what does it mean? I'll explain. Okay? Now, x we are finding, so we are not taking x. So what are the constant and the coefficient of y? b1, b2, c2 and c1. Okay? So we have to go this way. So first one is b1, then b2, then c1 and c2. Understood what you have to do? So for x, we are not taking x, we are taking the coefficient of y and constant. Alright, but we are going this way. Alright. Now you cannot write this constant or the coefficient of y wherever you want. Okay, there is a rule. So first you start with b1, then you have to go this way. b1, c1, b2 and c2. Now for y. Now for y, same thing we repeat. For y, we are not taking the coefficient of y. So we will take the coefficient of x, but we cannot take a1, a2. So we have to go this way now. So first we will write c1, c2. Now after that we will come here. So a1, a2. So we have to go this way. So that this is what it means. We are finding y, so that means what comes, what is there after y? c1. Then we have to go back. Alright? Now for this one, so that means 1 means constant actually. So for constant, so again we don't have any term here and we cannot take this guy. So it will go this way. So a1, a2 and b1 and b2. For x, we are not taking x, we will take b1, b2, c1, c2. For y, we will take c1, c2 and then we will go back a1, a2. Then for constant, again we will go back then a1, a2 and b1, b2. Now what we do is we cross multiply. So that is what it means, cross multiplication. So we cross multiply first into last, then second into third. So first into last, second into third. First into last, second into third. So this will be your x. So b1, c2 minus, then we have to subtract, cross multiply, then subtract, then cross multiplication. c1, b2. Again we repeat the same thing here. First with last, c1, a2 minus, you have to subtract, then third and second, a1, c2 is equals to 1. Now here also we do the same thing, a1, b2, first with last minus a2 and b1. Alright, so this is the formula which we'll use to solve any simultaneous equation. Okay, so let me explain it with an example so that will be more clear to you. Alright, so let's take this example. So this is the same example that we taken when we solve the simultaneous equation by using elimination and substitution method. Alright, the same example. So whatever method you use, the answer has to be same. Alright, now what we do here is, now if you relate this with a1 x, b1 y, now keep this in mind, in cross multiplication method, all the constant and the variable has to be at once. So what we do here is 3x plus 2y minus 3. So let's take this 3 to this and 5x minus 4y minus 16 is equals to 0. Alright, now let's relate this with the general equation, whatever we have discussed in this cross multiplication. So this is a1x, b1y and c1, a2x, b2y and c2. Alright, so what is the rule? X, yes or no? Then what is it? For x, we have to take b1, c2, b1, b2, c1, c2. This is the rule. Is equals to, for y, we have to take c1, c2, a1, a2 is equals to, for the constant, we have to go backwards, so a1, a2, then b1, b2. Alright, now we have to cross multiply. Okay, now what is b1? b1 is 2 and b2 is minus 4. So if it is minus, then we have to write minus 4. Now C1 is minus is there, so if it is minus, then we have to write minus, and C2 is also minus 16. Alright? Now C1 and C2 is minus 3 and minus 16, and A1 and A2 is 3 and 5. So again, A1 and A2 is 3 and 5, and B1 and B2 is 2 and minus 4. Alright? Now what we have to do? We have to cross multiply, isn't it? So x, so if you cross multiply 2 into this, we'll get minus 32, and minus, keep this in mind, in the formula only minus is there. Then we are multiplying this 2 now, the minus into minus is plus, 4 3s are 12. Alright, is equals to y. Now cross multiply this way. So minus, see, whenever you multiply, first you have to multiply with the sign. So here is minus and here is plus. So plus into minus is minus. 5 3s are 15. Then minus into plus is minus. So this will be minus. So this is 16 into 3 is 48. Alright, is equals to 1. Now cross multiply. 4 3s are 12. Plus into minus is minus. And minus 5 2s are 10. Alright. So this is x divided by minus 44 is equals to y divided by minus 15. So this will be your minus 15, minus into minus is plus 48. So 48 minus 15 is 33. Now 48 is greater. So the sign of this will be positive. Is equals to 1 by minus 22. Alright. So till here we know. Now how will you find the value of x? Alright. So here, after doing this, so many people will get confused with this. Now for example, if I write a is equals to b is equals to c. Now you can write a is equals to c, and you can also write b is equals to c. It's up to you. Yes sir. So x, so what we are finding here, we're finding x, so take the value of x, 44, then you relate this with the constant. Is equals to minus 1 by 22. So if you cross multiply, x is equals to minus into minus is plus, so 44 by 22. So the value of x is 2. Alright? Now we have to find y. So y is here. Y by 33. Now again relate this with the constant. Minus 1 by 22. The cross multiply minus 33 by 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 2s are. So y is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. You can leave it in this form only, alright, in the fraction form, or you can convert it into decimal. Okay, so if you convert it into decimal, it will be 1 minus 1.5, or you can write it in a mixed fraction. So all are correct. Alright, so this way we'll solve the simultaneous equation. Alright, so we'll discuss about the elimination method, substitution method, and the cross multiplication method. Alright, which are very, very important, not only till class 9, but in class 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you might come up with a problem in which you have to use simultaneous equation. Alright, so I hope with all this example and whatever we have discussed, all your doubts are clear, because so many people have requested me to do this lesson. Okay, so I hope all your doubts are clear and you have understood. Okay, so if you have for any doubts or query, you can comment or